Is it time for a nap yet? Because I'm tired.
Do you like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just washed it.
Welcome. My name is Cassie. I hope you're having a good day or had a good day wherever you may be in this world. Today I am doing my September BoxyCharm unboxing. No, we're not dogs. Today I'm doing my September BoxyCharm unboxing, and I feel like I say this maybe every month, but I legitimately cannot believe that it's September. But these months can fly by because I need to be with my family in December. That's what I'm looking forward to the most. But that's not what this video is about. If my hair is going to drive you crazy, it's okay. You should like it because I just washed it and it smells really good. I have a love and hate relationship with hair washing day, but it's all good. I feel like we all do. We love it and we hate it because it's like fresh scalp, fresh hair, but I don't brush my hair when it's wet, and I hardly ever blow dry or anything like that when it's wet, so it just stays like this. Sometimes it decides it wants to get curly or wavy, sometimes it just wants to be stringy, and I just let my hair live. I just let it be, less breakage, we're good. We're gonna roll with it. And again, if my lighting wants to play me in this video like it does every other time I film, if you don't know already, I film with 100% natural lighting. I have two really big windows right behind my camera, so that is my lighting, and I've been playing it back and forth all day. Like, the sun goes away, the sun comes back, and of course, the second I sit down to film, the sun wants to go away. So, like I said, this is the September BoxyCharm unboxing. We're going to go right into it. I will explain what it is, how much it is, all of that in the next clip. So, just make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you aren't already, because it's free and we all love free things, at least I think so. And I upload twice a week, once on Wednesdays, which is today, and once on Sundays, which, by the way, my Sunday video for this week, September 15th, there will be no video because I am moving that video to be Monday the 16th video. It's a different type of video. It is a makeup video, but it's a different type of video that I've never done before. I think it's going to be really fun. I think it's going to be really cool. So definitely subscribe and keep a lookout for that video, and we'll get right into the BoxyCharm. Let's go. Don't know and you live under a rock somewhere, like if you're on Facebook, you should see this. If you're on YouTube, you should 100% see this. If you're on Instagram, you should see this. Snapchat, I'm not sure, I don't really see it. Why the hell is my nose so itchy? Anyways, this is 100% real because I have not opened this box. I don't want to show you my address, but the sticker is still on there. Normally, I peek in it to see if there's anything that I can use, but if I want to use something, if it's lipstick or something like that, I'll put it on, but I don't want to really try it on right now. So, BoxyCharm is $21 a month, and you receive 4 to 5 full-size products in every box. Sometimes you get more if you get brush sets, which I do love getting brush sets in BoxyCharm, and the boxes are usually well over $100. I will leave my BoxyCharm playlist down below where I unbox a bunch of months BoxyCharms. Not just this month, you can watch previous months if you want to get an idea of some of the things that are in the boxes. So I know that a lot of people that do the BoxyCharm unboxing get it for free or get paid for doing it, and I pay for this myself. I don't get it sent to me, so it's 100% my personal, real, honest review. So yeah, I'm going to tell you the prices of every product and what the product does if I am unaware of the product. So I'm going to take my nail cutters because I'm so prepared, and I'm going to open up this box. Pretty sure the last time I did this, I cut myself, so don't do this at home, children. Just grab like scissors or something. The sizes of the boxes kind of depend on what you get every month. This one is a little bit more slimmer than normal. Usually they're about like this big, but I feel like this one's a little bit bigger and slimmer. And this month's theme, just to let you know, it does come with a card every time. So it tells you the theme of the BoxyCharm, and it tells you all of the products. And this month's theme is All Access BoxyCharm. Is it supposed to be like movie star? or something like that. I don't know. Okay, I don't want to peek on the back because, yeah. So this is what the box looks like. I'm going to pick the first thing here that screams to me. And I did see this sneak peek online. It comes wrapped in bubble wrap, kind of, sort of. Ooh, I see other stuff and I'm really excited. I need to put my foot up. I'm having technical difficulties. Okay. So this is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. Honestly, I think that I was going to be happy with either one, with either this palette or I think the other one was the Too Faced Natural Eyes. It would have been cool to get the natural eyes because I do sell it at my work, which is Ulta, so I would have been able to wear it and recommend it. However, it's not a palette that makes me excited because it's so matte, and I already have a ton of matte, so it's a bunch of shades I already have, and I feel like I wanted this one more because it's a lot brighter and more at your face, and it retails for $29. So already that's $8 more than what the box charges you for, and it has 10 shades, 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah, has 10 shades, and I will definitely be doing a one palette makeup look with this. And the next thing in the box, we will just go with this big box right here. And this is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Ooh, I literally love sleeping. No, I literally love sleeping masks. So this is a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. And this retails for $52. That is expensive. I love sleeping masks. I don't know if I want to try this right now and open it because I have 2 sleeping masks from Glow Recipe. One is the avocado one and one is the watermelon one that I have to use up. So I don't know if I want to open it and use it yet. But even though I do have oily skin, I love using hydrating sleeping masks, hydrating products for at night because yes, I have oily skin, but I love putting that moisture back in overnight. Just because I have oily skin doesn't mean I want 100% matte products, matte moisturizer, matte mask. I don't want that because I don't want my skin to suffer. I don't like that. Some people do with oily skin, some people do, but I don't. Preference. Makeup and skincare is preference. Our preference. Is makeup and skincare our preference. Taking you back to school here. Next thing in the box is this item, and this is the Hank and Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner. Introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. Me, I have hooded eyelids. And this retails for 20 doll hairs. I don't use liquid liner. I don't. But the only time I use liquid liner is when I use falsies because I cover the glue all the way around and it's only a tiny, tiny bit. So we'll see. And the reason why I do love BoxyCharm as well is because like I would never go out of my way and buy something like this, so it makes me try things and new brands that I wouldn't go out and try on my own. So that's the best thing about BoxyCharm that I love. And it's like Christmas every month because you get a box in the mail of 4 to 5 full-size products of skincare, hair care, makeup care in the mail. And it's just really cool to get some stuff that you didn't pick out yourself. It's just like a surprise. Normally I don't love surprises, but stuff like this, I do. And then this is the $1 Billion Brow, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. This brow pen mimics the look of actual brow hairs to get a great microblade effect without the blade. It can be used to define a very bold brow or creates natural looking brow hairs for a more subtle look. This long-lasting formula will last for an all-day look. So I wish that I would have opened the box beforehand because I would have used this on camera, but I did do my eyebrows today. I waxed my eyebrows today before this video and then I filled them in as well. So I'm not going to use this, and it's in the shade dark, so hopefully it will wear. And the last thing in the box is brushes, which, if you don't remember, about 5 minutes ago, maybe 2 minutes ago, I told you I love getting brushes in BoxyCharm because usually they give you like a pack of them, so you get more than just one brush. Sometimes you get one brush if it's a big brush, but This is from Moda. It's a 5-piece brush kit and 5-piece deluxe eye kit. And this retails for $27.95. I have received Moda eye brush kits and brush sets in my BoxyCharm before. And they are really good eye pencils. So, come on, bro. I really do like it. But come on. They're really good brushes. They're kind of like luxurious. So they come with the BMX 466 shade, which is apply color to your lid or use as a smarter blending brush to soften harsh lines. Okay? Oh my god. This is so soft. Sweet. And then we have a BMX 420 detail brush. And this is the pointed tip on this eye brush is ideal for applying shadow or highlighting your inner corner. Definitely good for highlighting inner corner, and I would also say under here, your lower lash line, that would be really good for smoking out. And then this is the BMX 498 line brush, and this is the expertly lined upper and lower lash lines with the chiseled edge and ideal for filling in brows. You can definitely use this for brows, you can definitely use this for liner, you can also use this to tight line with a dark shadow. Or you could even use it like to very tight line on your lower lash line if you want your shadow to be extremely close to your eyelash line. And this is the BMX 402 Smudger. And this is the perfect size for applying color on your upper and lower lash lines or smudging eyeliner for a soft, smoky look. So I would go in with this first one that I told you would be really good for the lower lash line and then go in with this and kind of smoke it out. I wouldn't necessarily start with this originally. That's just my preference. It's just my preference. And then this is the BMX 430 crease brush, and this is define and blend the crease or use to buff all over the lid. For me, I don't know if it's just because it was smushed in the box, but it almost seems a little bit too flat for me to be a crease brush, but maybe that would be good to kind of like lay in your crease. I don't know, we'll test it out. They're really soft and sleek. I love how they're all black. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add up all of these prices, and I'll be right back with the total. This month's box is $146.95. It's really odd because the brush set was $27.95. So normally it's not 95 cents or anything cents. It's usually just a solid, like a whole number. But that's still really good. It's still really good. It's $125 more than what you pay for the box, which again is why I love the box, because it's super good for a super cheap price. And it's actually things that I would use. I would use the entire thing. And here we go. Mother Nature, you're playing me once again. Thank you very much for coming to my videos today. Anyways, please subscribe if you haven't already. Check the description box down below. I will leave BoxyCharm's website down there, so that way if you wanted to sign up, look for things, you can. Also, every month that you get a box, you do get BoxyCharm, you get charms, you get money, tokens online, and then you can go to the Boxy store on their website and purchase some stuff. So like one time I bought the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist with like 45 tokens or something like that. I don't really remember, but anyways, please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope that you enjoyed this really quick, simple BoxyCharm unboxing video, and maybe you signed up. Let me know if you signed up, if you already have it, what's your favorite box, what's your favorite product that you received, what's your favorite product that you received this month. Let your girl know. Subscribe, and I will see you on Monday.